Angular. It is free and open source single page web application framework set up in VS Code. Google search box lo enter Node.js download. Enter key press nodejs.org download first link click. Node official web page complete display. Download Node.js section lo get Node.js installation latest version 24.13.1 LTS long time supported version for Windows operating system default detect and display. Other platforms right side down arrow click supporting first one Windows and using Docker with npm tool default set. Scroll down, get a pre-built Node.js for Windows set and running a architecture 64-bit. Down arrow click ARM and 32 x64 select first button Windows installer MSI green color button click. Download section lo node 24.13.1 x64.msi file downloading process start. File size 30.7 MB. Wait and here downloading process completing. Completed. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo node MSI file display. Select mouse double click. Download folder minimize. Welcome to the Node.js setup wizard window lo second button. Next click. End user license agreement section lo Node.js license and user information display. Bottom side I accept the terms in the license agreement. Left side circle tick mark set. Third button next click. Destination folder install Node.js to default path display. Local disk C program files newly created folder Node.js default set. Second button next click. Choose setup Node.js related internal features display in box default set. Fourth button next click. Chocolatey tool necessary left side box tick mark set unnecessary skip this option. Second button next click. Ready to install Node.js window lo second button install click. Node.js window lo first button yes click. Installing Node.js. Please wait while for setup wizard install Node.js. Status lo copying new files. Wait and here few seconds. Completed the Node.js setup wizard window lo finish button click. Desktop Windows search box lo enter VS Code. First option Visual Studio Code select. File menu click. Open folder option select. Left side desktop option select. Top section lo new folder second button click. Delete key press. Enter the project related folder name Angular files. Enter key press. Bottom side first button select folder click. First button yes I trust the authors blue color button click. Welcome page close. Top section lo terminal menu click. New terminal first option select. Newly created folder default path display. VS Code IDE minimize. Browser reopen. New tab click. Google search box lo enter Angular. Enter key press. Angular.dev home-angular first link click. Angular official web page complete display. Left side second icon docs select. Introduction section lo second option installation select. Installation section lo mouse scroll down. Install Angular CLI section lo npm related command copy. Box right side copy icon click. VS Code reopen. Terminal window lo keyboard lo shortcut key Control V. Enter key press. Angular CLI installation process start. Wait and here few seconds. Added 298 packages. Completed the process. Installation, verify command enter. ng space version. Enter key press. All packages display Angular CLI latest version 21.1.4 and Node.js installation latest version 24.13.1 and package manager npm 11.8.0 operating system Win32 x64 CLS. Enter key press. Browser reopen. Create a new project. Related command. Copy this right side box. Copy icon. Click. VS Code. Reopen. Keyboard shortcut key. Control V. Enter the anyone project related file name. Text unnecessary. Remove. Chari tech dot app. Enter key press. Keyboard N key. No. Enter key press. Which style sheet system would you like to use? First one, CSS or Tailwind. CSS and SASS. In case Tailwind, select keyboard down arrow click and up arrow click. First one, select CSS, enter key press. Keyboard Y key, enter key press. Default none. Set enter key press. Installing packages npm related project. Installation process start. Wait and here few minutes. TypeScript, CSS, HTML, config files. Complete project related files. Installation process start. Completed the process. Left side top section lo explore window lo created folder charitech.app. Left side expand icon click. Packages related files. Node modules left side expand icon click. Total modules files. Right click. src source code file. Left side expand icon click. app.html file select. HTML script display. Browser reopen. Mouse scroll down. Run your new project locally. Section lo copy this command. Box right side copy icon click. VS Code reopen. Enter CLS. Enter key press. Keyboard shortcut key Control V. Unnecessary text remove. CD explore window of charitech.app as its same enter here in terminal. Enter key press. Browser reopen. Copy this second command. npm start box right side copy icon right click. VS Code reopen. Keyboard shortcut key Control V. Enter key press. Building our project. Server bundles display. Localhost link. Top section lo HTML file. Default app.html. Edit this script. H1 tag. Delete key press. Enter Charitech Info Warangal. File menu click. Save option select. Localhost 4200. Keyboard shortcut key Control key and mouse left click. Angular created a single web page. Execute output Charitech Info Warangal. Display